Youth mental health groups are warning of unintended harmful consequences if the federal government bans 13 to 16-year-olds from accessing social media. They claim social media often acts as a front door for young people to access mental health support.
Growing up with ADHD, Sinner says social media was a lifeline.
It's been quite helpful to see others go through a similar journey and also understand the tips and solutions that they use that work for them.
The 23-year-old is one of several young people who've spent the last few months travelling to Canberra to voice concerns about the Albanese government's proposed social media ban for those aged 13 to 16.
I think banning it to me seems more of a band-aid solution than actually addressing the harms.
Sinner is a youth advocate for Reach Out, a mental health group providing self-help and peer-based support for people aged 14 to 25.
Reach Out's done research and found that 73% of young people access mental health supports through social media. And so we're really concerned if this ban comes into effect that young people under 16 will have that source cut off to them.
Mental health groups such as Reach Out, Rocket, Beyond Blue, Headspace, Origin and Prevention United were all signatories to a joint statement opposing the proposed age-based ban. They're calling for better evidence-based solutions, such as limiting the ability of people to infinitely scroll and ensuring tech giants are transparent about the algorithms they use to target users.
Yeah, it does feel very, very quick and a little bit knee-jerk. We're calling on the government to consult with young people, with the youth mental health sector, to make sure that when we shape this beast, it can be as fit for purpose and inclusive as possible.
Many of the groups have worked with major social media platforms for the purposes of educating them about youth mental health.
I think there's a real risk of unintended harmful consequences with this kind of legislation.
While platforms such as WhatsApp and YouTube would be exempt from the ban, others like Facebook, Instagram, X and TikTok would not. Social media companies could be fined up to $50 million if they breach the laws and allow young people on their platforms.
They do not face the same algorithmic curation of content and psychological manipulation to encourage near-endless engagement.
The government hopes its laws will pass Parliament by the end of the week.